I'm Tammy Cutler, and I've decided to take some time away from the corporate world to try my hand at painting and sketching all plein air. Join me on my journey as I tackle the ups and downs of painting outside. Hey everyone, I've come out this weekend to Presqu'ile Provincial Park to do a little bit of camping, kayaking, and hopefully some plein air painting. We're just getting set up, but I'm going to check back in with you later. Presqu'ile Provincial Park sits along the north shore of Lake Ontario, just outside the town of Brighton. Known for its windswept beaches, coastal marshes, and migrating birds, the park offers a peaceful escape and a perfect spot for an overnight plein air adventure. The name Presqu'ile means almost an island in French, and it fits. This thin peninsula juts far out into the lake, forming one of the largest marsh habitats in Ontario. The Marsh Boardwalk Trail winds through cattails and wetland, where turtles sun themselves on logs and herons play in the shallows. It's a place that slows you down, in a good way, until you find yourself painting from a kayak, that is. Brighton itself has grown into a small cultural hub, with local galleries, cycling routes including the Millennium Trail, and a community that warmly supports the arts. It's a welcoming town, full of charm and just the right amount of eccentricity. A short drive away off Highway 401 sits one of Ontario's quirkiest roadside attractions, the Big Apple. You can't miss it, it's a giant apple. There's a country store, a mini zoo, and a restaurant where you can fuel up on cider and pie before heading back to nature. It's a bit of a spectacle, but fun nonetheless. I brought my partner Jeff along for this trip, partly to help out with the kayak, and partly because it's just more fun. Time to get the tent set up and get stuck in. Right now we're having fun roasting marshmallows over a roaring fire, as a few thoughts dance through my head. Why do we decide to have a fire when it feels like 40 degrees out here? It's so hot. Not sure how I'm going to sleep tonight. And whose brilliant idea was it to try plein air on a kayak? Oh yeah, that was me. There are no clear answers, but I'm having a really great time and I'm curious to see what tomorrow brings. Hey all, good morning. I'm trying out my new mocha pot. It's actually pretty cool. I tested it out before the trip and it makes a decent cup of coffee. Similar to espresso, but it doesn't have the crema. It was pretty humid last night, but I still managed to get a bit of sleep. So are you ready for some plein air by kayak? We're actually pretty new to kayaking. I did a little test paddle last weekend close to home and it went pretty well. Though the waves out here seem a bit choppy, hopefully all goes okay. I'll be using gouache this trip just to make it a little more compact, and they're water-based, so it kind of seemed appropriate. Well, let's get to it and get that kayak down to the beach. So we've just realized that somehow I've forgotten to bring canvases to paint on surfaces. So we're on our way back. My ride is here?
Yeah, how fast can I do that?
Let's see.
This big tall tree in the middle. I like here in that beach.
Where?
See the big
That one?
tree standing there.
Yeah, I kind of like over here with the sparkles.
Buckets.
All right, let's get some blue greens happening for the water.
Yeah, the wind's kicking up there.
Well, I'm just gonna get in this basic shape really fast because
Wait, what? There's a little hut there. See, the hut of it, when the arm was flying. This one was better than Mark, sure.
yes,
Where are they extra stuff?
I think the marsh might have been a better idea.
I could still do it. You want to be 2 plenty hours and unbaking it?
It's possible. Wow, this is a really bad painting. This is a really bad painting. It is. Well, that's a wrap for kayak plein air painting today. We're just doing the tear down, and then I think we're going to head out and do a little bit more kayaking, get a bit more familiar with it. Jeff's doing most of the work here, doing the tear down right now. So that's it for now. Chat you later.